Meaning of hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab.
Hermit crab. A hermit crab is a crustacean that lives in discarded shells of other animals as it grows. The name hermit refers to its solitary nature, and crab is due to its appearance. Hermit crabs are found in tropical and subtropical regions around the world, both in oceans and on land. They have two pairs of antennae and specialized legs for holding onto their shell, walking and burrowing. Hermit crabs are also popular pets, as they are relatively low maintenance and have interesting behaviors such as changing shells as they grow.